some basic interview questions that are SQL related. Let's see how we can use some of the functions or commands that were being discussed in the previous post. Okay, let's look at this question together. The first question said, write a query to calculate the total revenue generated from all pizzas. How do you handle that? Thank you all for the follow. I sincerely do appreciate. Okay, moving forward, how do we attend to this question? We use the select function. So using the select function, what are we selecting? We're going to be selecting the pizza category. We'll select this pizza category. Select pizza category. Now, select the pizza category. Pizza underscore category. And then after selecting pizza category, the next thing we want to do is we select the sum. Now, sum of what? The sum of the quantity ordered. Sum of quantity ordered when we multiply it by the unit price. So the unit price. Now this will give us the sum, which is, you can call this as revenue. So this is going to give you the revenue. Now these are called alias, so you can use that if you want. Now, where are you getting this information from? All of this is coming from the pizza sales table. So you can see this is where this is coming from, but that is not all. So from pizza sales table, now there is a conditional statement here. The conditional statement said from all total revenue generated from all veggie pizza. So we're going to have the where clause here. So where what? The pizza category in this regard. The pizza category must be equals to what? Must be equals to veggie. Now, as you can see here, if you run this query, you're going to get an error message, and I'll tell you why. Look at it. It's going to give you an error message. So why? There is a reason for that, because you have refused to use what is called the group by function. So you need to end this by using the group by function. Group by what? You group it by the pizza category. So when you group it by this pizza category, so apparently if you run this again, you're going to have this. As you can see, the pizza category, this veggie, is giving us this total revenue now across board. Now let me quickly remind you of something I mentioned in one of my recent posts, and that has to do with this, where I emphasize that this is the order of execution. From join, if you have reason to join, use the where clause. Then you have the group by. Immediately after the where, you use the group by function. So you must always remember that and don't forget that area moving forward. So that's the first thing. The next one here is this, which is actually about this. Let's look at this one together. This one is saying that write a query to find all records where the pizza size is equals to this large or this. So this is also very simple. We're going to use the select function. Now when you use the select function, what are you selecting? We're selecting from where? We're selecting everything that we have from the pizza sales. Now that's the name of the table we are using in this regard. Now as we have in the database. Now when you select this from pizza sales, if you select all, if you run this type of query, it's going to return the original table. But in this regard, they said where the pizza size is either. So now we have the where. So where, now there is a clause there where pizza size, the pizza size now is equals to where pizza size is. Now in this case, now where pizza size is not equals to but is in, you can use this function in what? Let's say in you now use the letters to represent them. Now if you have large, you're going to have L, and if you have for all the different categories that you have, and then if you have M like that, you're going to have this at the same time. So please do not forget this. Okay, so moving forward, this is what you have. Okay, there's something missing in this. Something is missing here. We have small, we have large, we have medium. Now let's quickly look at this. Okay, this is what we have. The query is not fully executed, so that's why you have this. Let's look at this. So as you can see, we have every cases of medium, large, and small all together. This is what we have: small, medium, and large. Okay, so this is what is expected of you in this regard. Now moving forward, we also have another query here, which is saying that write a query to calculate the revenue distribution for each pizza size within each pizza type. So in this regard, now what we have is going to be select pizza category, pizza size, sum, like that. You follow this sequence as you can see here. When you are dealing with percentage, this is what you have, and you must follow this order. In one of my recent very soon I'm going to be making a post on how to use partition by, so you can as well get acquainted with how to use it. Moving forward, we also have another question here: how would you write a query to find the pizza size type with the highest average quantity sold by others? Select this. Then this is how to use the average function from pizza group by, then order by. I mentioned in one of my recent video that you use the order by after the group by, except in some instances which I clearly emphasize, where you use the order by before the group by. So this is it, and I think let's stop here for now. I'll be throwing out more questions on SQL interview, some SQL interview related questions, so we can get so familiar with how to solve questions that pertain to this. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, and share this video with your data enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and thanks for the follow. Do have a wonderful day.